Hey, this is Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to move Heartstone files or installation to another drive. But before I show you how to do that, subscribe to the channel, it helps me out a lot. Okay, so as you know, the installation is always on your computer, and if you try to install it directly to drive, it just doesn't work for some reason. Because if you go here and settings, as you can see, it goes directly here. So this is my folder. This is my default install directory. So what you need to do is input your external hard drive, or if you already have your drive in the computer, you want to go to disk management. So open up Windows and go to disk management. Find that disk that you want to move the game to, and you want to click on it. And basically you want to format the entire disk. Now be aware, formatting your disk will delete everything that is currently installed on it. So make sure to make a copy so that you don't lose your files. Now, I have tried it without formatting the disk. It works like 90% of the time, but if you want to be sure that it will work, format the disk. Now that so basically to format the disk, as I mentioned, right click format, just follow the on-screen instructions, just go next. If it asks you for the file system, go NTFS, designate all of your gigabytes, and that's it. Now that that step is done, you actually need to have the game installed on the drive you actually don't want it to have. But don't worry, you are going to move it to the drive you just formatted it. So I don't have Heartstone in this example. You just want to click on install. It's going to go to my default location. Just click on start install, and that's it. Now that the game is installed, you want to locate it. In my case, so it installed on my C drive, program files here. And let's just use World of Warcraft example, because I didn't install Heartstone. So World of Warcraft. So this is actually the game. So this is when I click play on Battle.net, this is everything that loads up. So now what you want to do on the another screen, you just want to open up that drive you want to move the game to. So let's assume this is the folder I want to move the games to. And then I just move it. You literally just drag and drop it, and you wait for it to be completed. Now, once you have done that, it's going to tell you that you have to install the game again, like it's already installed. That it's not already installed, but you know that you install it since you have it on the other drive. What you want to do is click on locate the game, navigate to that file you've just pasted the new file to. You want to click on the entire file and then just click on select folder. From there it's probably going to give you a short message that it's updating or whatever, but just wait. How long? It shouldn't take more than a few seconds, maybe sometimes a few minutes, and then once it's updating, it's just going to give you the option to play like I have over here. And that's it. You have successfully moved the game from another drive to whatever drive you have wanted, and that's it. If you're still having some issues with it, let me know what was your problem in the comments down below, and that's it. If you like this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe.